Hi friends, I am Nitish and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you to set your thumbnail of your video using your Android device. And in generally YouTube we don't get the option to just set the thumbnail, and thumbnail is auto selected. So I am going to show you this, and we don't have to install any software for this, and we can just do it using Google Chrome. So don't skip the video and watch the video till the end. So here we'll start. First of all, I'll open Google Chrome. Then I'll write in URL youtube.com, and then the YouTube will open, and that upper three dot you can see, and then desktop site at second last. Then our preference will be like same like desktop, and the profile picture of YouTube. I'll click, and then Creator Studio you can see, and my profile will be opened in the form of same like desktop, and then upload option you can see here. Then I'll select the file from going here, select files to upload from document, and I'll choose any file from Chrome. Then now it's uploading, and now here we can find custom thumbnail option, you can see it, and we'll click in that, and I'll go in documents, and then I'll click on that recent button, and I'll go to gallery, and then you can just select any picture. I'll select this mobile phone one. You can see it's uploading, and it has been uploaded, and now it will be added there also. See here is the picture, and it has been added in the now you can see the thumbnail has been uploaded, and in this way we can upload it very easily using our Android device, and we can change the interface of our YouTube in Android. So thank you very much for watching my video, and if you have not subscribed my channel up now, then please don't forget to subscribe it and tap the bell icon to receive all the notification and updates of my channel, and please share with your creator friends and like, comment. Thank you.